I'm already recording. Yeah.
Okay, this is the second part of our grand finale thingy because we didn't break out the screen, but we got a little incision in there. But so we're gonna have to redo this shot. So.
That was so
Can you hand me a bat?
stupid.
And then you should be able to break it.
Oh.
Okay.
Whoa.
Is that good?
Yeah, I call that good.
I want to give one hit on it real quick.
Stand over here.
Lighten it.
You said wine.
I lied.
Hide it back in there.
Okay.
You go start going. No, I didn't go.
This is so scary walking backwards. Move, Keith, move.
Shit, nigga. Okay, now Dylan,
but I was still cool.
keep recording, Dylan. You know, honestly, maybe it's good thing it doesn't blow up.
Yeah, I just realized it was really, really close to that.
Okay, that was badass. Even though it didn't do what we expected. Yeah, I hit the rock.
You hit the rock this time, Keith.
Finally.
Well,
Hey, wait.
I think it's dead.